Hey friends, welcome back to our channel, the best place where you can learn about various technologies. My name is Sushil and today I'm going to talk about how to download free Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft site genuinely. With the below procedure, you will be able to download all Windows 10 editions except for Enterprise Edition. This is a trial version which gives you 3 months period to explore Windows 10 environment absolutely free. Now open Chrome browser and search for Microsoft Software Download. Open Microsoft website and click on Windows 10. Under the Create Windows 10 installation media, click on Download Tool Now button. Save Media Creation Tool in Download folder. Run Media Creation Tool and accept the software license terms. Select option Create Installation Media and click Next. Select Architecture as per your need and click Next. Select ISO file and click Next. Give suitable name and provide the folder path to save Windows 10 ISO file. Now downloading is completed, click Finish to complete the process. Your Windows 10 ISO file is now ready for the installation. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, share and like our YouTube channel as we are going to be share such more technical videos on our channel. Thank you.